Hi there, Joey from PowerhouseAffiliate.com. Today, I want to show you 6 really cool ways to increase your ROI and your conversion rates on your landing page. I'm going to show you how to make extra money from your campaigns, for your paid ad campaigns, especially if you're running native ads or push ads. A lot of these tricks will work really well on those traffic sources. So we're going to go into my computer and I'm going to start showing you these really cool tricks that super affiliates are definitely using on a daily basis. A lot of these things that I'm going to show you have made me hundreds of thousands of dollars in extra revenue, and I'm going to show you precisely how to implement them on your own landing pages. Okay, so let's go into my computer here and let me show you the first example of what I wanted to bring up here. As you can see, this is a very big publisher, comparisons.org. You'll see their ads on many news channels. And what they've got implemented here, the first thing that I want to notice is the location here has been dynamically placed into the landing page. This is called dynamic geo insertion. And basically, no matter where the visitor lives, that is going to show the location of the visitor. And it's actually very helpful in increasing your conversion rates. And it's a simple code. I live in New Brunswick, Canada. So you can see here that it is populating my actual location. And it really helps me, or if I was a visitor here and not knowing it was an ad, it would make me think that this is actually catered towards people in my province. So it actually would make me pay more attention. Now, of course, this is for the United States and it's still showing my province, but it would show any state, whether you're in New York or if you're in Florida, it would change. So that is a specific code that you can put into your landing page. And I'm going to show you where you can get access to that code here in a second. And it's actually free to implement this code. Now, the second thing that can really increase your ROI and your conversions is by implementing a survey. This is a survey style landing page. And as you can see, it is also using the geo insertion here as well. And this is a dating offer. So geo insertion works really well for financial lead generation, as you've seen in my previous example, but also works well for dating offers as well, because it makes you think that these people are near you and it would make you sign up to these dating programs. So what you'll see a lot of affiliates doing is they'll be using dynamic insertion as well as a survey for these types of offers, because what happens here with the survey is no matter what you answer on these questions, whether you answer yes or no or whatever, it's going to lead you down to the last step where you have to click to the offer. And so by implementing a survey, you really engage your visitors, and it helps especially on traffic sources like push ads or native ads, where you're pulling people away from another source of information that they're probably using, or you're interrupting them on their phones. They're not really ready for ads, but you get them on your landing page and you get them to engage quickly. So to get access to a survey page like this, you can actually come into the Powerhouse Affiliate members area. You'll see over here on the resources side that you can get access to our landing page templates. We have several in there, including some survey style pages like that, not only in dating, but as well as in the diet niche and finance. So those are really good pages. Now, on this page, I want to show you number 3, which is another really cool trick you can implement on your landing pages, and it is called a pop under. So when people click to the CPA affiliate offer or whatever affiliate offer you're promoting on your original landing page, you can implement a pop under to show up later to the user. They don't even know that it's there really, because you're not interrupting the flow from when they click on your ad to go to your landing page to click to the offer. You're not interrupting that flow at all, but you are implementing a pop under. So watch when I click here, it'll go to the CPA offer, in this case an example page, just a domain, but it'll also refresh this page to a pop under. So watch what happens. I click I agree, and it goes to cpaoffer.com, which is just an example. So this could be any dating offer you get from your affiliate network. Then next, what you'll see is the original page swapped out to what you'll see here. Some people use the pop under to produce or to show a search feed, or they might show a squeeze page where they're collecting an email, or they'll show another offer maybe from a smart link. So you could get a smart link from your affiliate network, and it'll just populate any type of offer that they think would fit for your traffic. Whatever you do, don't show the same offer you're pitching on your landing page, because you're usually not going to convert the second time around with a pop under. So the best way to get money back from this method is to implement either what I see here, which is a search feed, or go ahead and put a different offer in there. And that is a great way to increase your revenue from your campaigns, because you will always have people going back and not realizing until later that they have this page here that is somewhat related to what they originally were looking at. Okay, so that was number 3. Now let's talk about another way you can get more revenue from your landing page. And I see this a lot lately, especially on native ads when I'm spying. But what you'll see here when you come to a place like dayjobhacks.com/newsletter, which is actually our landing page for our newsletter that you can join for free. But what you'll see here is a notification that asks people if they would like to join and get more notifications from us. And this is implemented a lot on affiliate landing pages. And there's 2 ways to do this. You can either manage your own push subscribers. So you would sign up to a place like OneSignal, which is a plugin. You can see here they have different options. They have a free option here. I'm not promoting them in any way. I'm not getting compensated for this. I'm just showing you what we use, which is OneSignal. And this is how we collect our push subscribers from our landing page for our newsletter. Now, what this requires is that you also set up a back-end system where you start messaging people other offers or related information about your business. There's another way to do this for people that don't want to manage the back end but still want to make money with this type of notification, and it's something like this, where you can get access to the program at ProPush.me, which is built and owned, I believe, by Propeller Ads. And what you can do is you can sign up and they will pay you to put that on your website and get subscribers for them. So basically all you have to do is put the code into your landing page and they will start paying you for these new subscribers that are added to that list. And it's a great way for you to add extra monetization to your landing pages. And it doesn't really interrupt the flow that much, because it doesn't show them another offer. It basically just says, would you like to get more notifications, yes or no? And then they see your landing page. You could definitely test that. And another place you can try is Monetizer. They are kind of similar in the same service where they'll pay you for getting subscribers for them and you'll get paid back. And I've done a video on this on the Day Job Hacks YouTube channel. So if you want to go check that out or search it, I'll actually put the link down in the description for you so that you can see that video on how I monetized one of my campaigns using this. So if you like this video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment, or share, tell your friends about it. And let's move on because I want to get through this whole video quickly. So next one we want to talk about is the back button script. Okay, so basically what happens is somebody lands on your landing page. Let's say they click allow and they want to get their notifications, but now they don't want to enter or they don't want to buy whatever it is that you're offering. So they want to escape. They click the back button, and what you can do here is you can actually implement it to go to another offer. There's a script you can put on your landing page that allows you to basically do that. And there are a couple of places to get that script. You can go to ProPush.me. Again, they have a traffic back service here that'll do the same similar thing, I believe. And definitely at Monetizer, they have a back button script that you can implement a little piece of code into your landing page, and you'll get paid every time somebody converts on one of those offers. Or you can set up your own custom offer on the back button script. Now, I forgot to mention where to get those other codes I mentioned earlier. You can come into the Powerhouse Affiliate Forum and go to landing page scripts and tricks in the premium member resources, and you can get access to some of the scripts we're using on our landing pages. Now, keep in mind, a lot of the things I've showed you so far, aside from the geo insertion here, would probably not be allowed on places like Google, TikTok, Facebook, or any of the mainstream traffic sources. Be sure that you know the rules of how to implement your landing pages and how to implement these tricks before you get into actually doing that on your landing page, especially on some of the bigger mainstream traffic sources. So the last thing I want to talk about is the content itself. The content is obviously a big factor in selling or converting people into, into commissions, and getting a better conversion rate is based upon what you're saying in your headlines, in your images, and in your content here. Now, normally, you could probably copy some of this stuff that you see through spy tools like Adplexity, but in reality, if you go to any major traffic sources, they'll know that you're using duplicate content, and this can result in a red flag. So how do you compensate for that? Well, you could either spend hours trying to write this stuff yourself, Or you could use a tool that I use and what other people are using now to write copy for them, and that is called Jasper, jasper.ai. Or if you go to dayjobhacks.com/Jasper, you can get 10,000 free credits using that link. And you can actually start using this for free to write your own ads, write your headlines, write your paragraphs, or you can write complete blog posts if that's what you're into. But basically, it has many different templates that you can use to write sales copy, and it helps you by saving a lot of time. In fact, it says it's 10 times faster with AI. I would argue it's even faster than that. I've written blog posts in 5 minutes using this tool. So get your free 10,000 credits. Use the link down below in the description, and that is an affiliate link. And by using that affiliate link, you will get 10,000 free credits, and you'll be helping me support my channel and keeping this content fresh. So those are the 6 things I wanted to mention today. If you liked that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Come back and make sure you check out powerhouseaffiliate.com or our newsletter at dayjobhacks.com if you want more free content. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next week.